Hello, all you party people. I think I just wanted to shoot a little intro. You know, we're creeping up on the 1-year anniversary of me moving and rebuilding, and I have a few videos that I need to post. They are vlog style videos. They aren't necessarily holographic in nature, right? It's not really the point of them. They're more about me and my journey. The human stuff, which if you talk to me personally, you know I'm all about. It's very important to show our humanity, I think, in the modern day where we are supposed to be hiding it behind these screens. You know, they're not the easiest or maybe the most interesting things to watch, but they do represent a very personal and impactful part of my journey. I needed to shoot an intro because it's been a year and I gotta get those published because I don't want them to sit around any longer. Because if I let them go any further, I think that they will just never get published. So if you want to watch them, I appreciate it. If you want to get to know me and my journey a little bit more, some people like that kind of stuff and some people don't, but I'm not afraid to put it out there. So here we go. It's Sunday, it's 7:30 at night, and guess what? I still haven't done any of that. None of that stuff, none of it. You know why though? It's because my brain was dancing between cleaning the garage, mowing the grass, or finishing editing this video of when I went on vacation and got the keys to the new lab, as you can see right there. And only one of those things got done, and it was the last one. It was getting the video finished, getting it published, getting it posted to Patreon, getting it posted to YouTube. I even posted it to TikTok. They probably won't like that. I mentioned some other things that you're not supposed to talk about there. Patreon. I do not like the platform controlling what I say, right? I don't like it to shape what I say or what I talk about or how the words that come out of my mouth, right? And that's what happens, and it's really annoying. And that's why TikTok's not my favorite platform. So what am I gonna do now that it's 7:30? I feel accomplished-ish because I did some cool stuff. Publishing videos is still, it's like a hurdle I gotta get over, right? It's hard for me, but I'm getting a lot better at it because I'm doing this little scrappy kind of editing style, and I like it, and it feels like it's me and it's authentic, and I can do it in the right amount of time that I can allocate for video editing. We can do something. I'll do like an hour. Made a dent. You know, we got the whole table out of here. That's good. It's kind of like catching stuff. It's hot in here. We braved through the traffic so we can go to the park, Spooky. Are you excited? We go to the big park. We drove a long way for this. Excited? Immediately overwhelmed by all the smells, I'm sure.
I'm leaving you now. Go ahead, get in there, Kevin. There you go. Don't be such a wuss. Kevin, come on. Go the other way.
We're having a good time. I think so. I think so. Onward. Good morning, Internet. It's Sunday, June 4th, I think. The house is a mess, but you know, middle of moving. I'm not even ashamed of it. It's fine. It's gonna be a mess, right? Gotta make some film today. It's 11:13. That's good to know. I gotta clean some stuff up, put some stuff in some boxes, and design I want to design a card for the eyeball. This is the sticker we're talking about. This one is attached to a pop socket, right? That's what everybody kept talking about. All you ever said, hey, we put in a pop socket. I should mow the lawn. It's a beautiful day for it. Spooky keeps telling me she wants to go back to the big park, but I don't think we can do that today. So we gotta do work and work and work so that the laundry list of things that I need to do before I move out of this house is smaller. and I feel better every day. Fast forward to later, this is the work that we did. We did work. So we did the work, we made the list shorter, and I think these turned out pretty cool. These are for a client, these are customs. It's a step forward in creating some other cool other trading cards that I want to make. And we also made the new artwork for the new eyeball card. So I think we are pretty accomplished in that whole day, I think.